Now, let's explore one of the most powerful tools in Travel Boost, especially in the supplier section and the navigation here, which is the analytics. Like this navigation transforms supplier data into visual reports, making it easier to monitor supplier performance, spending, profitability, and procurement trends without manually reviewing the spreadsheet. So, at the top of the page, hang on, but first, you should click this view full analytics and it will redirect it to this full analytics. So at the top of the page, you'll see several summary cards that provides an instant overview. So here, total spend. This display the total amount spent across all suppliers. This one is the active supplier, shows the numbers of suppliers that are currently active in the system. The average margin is the average profit margin generated from supplier bookings. And next one is the total booking, shows the total number of bookings made through all the suppliers. And here the top rated indicates how many suppliers currently have the highest performance ratings. Alright? So these summary cards allow you to quickly evaluate your supplier network at a glance. Sounds great, right? So below the summary cards are the several analytics tab that organize supplier insights into different reports. Alright. So the first one here we have performance. You see here the performance. It has tab suppliers by spend, payable agings, performance, of course, there's not supplier, of course, type, rating, rates, average margin, bookings, revenue, profit, expenses, owned, and contracts. So hang on. The performance here is display overall supplier performance and spending trends. So here we have performance leaderboard. So this one is rank suppliers based on their performance metrics. You'll see here performance leaderboard. Of course, here your supplier you'll see here, and of course the score. Of course, you'll see here as well the top performance or the top performers, watch list, and the blacklist. The next one we have here the geographic distribution, which shows where your suppliers are located. And the next one we have here supplier spend by supplier type. This one is the breakdown spending by suppliers categories such as hotels, airlines, DMCs, transfer, and activities. You'll see here multi-currency spend, of course, the grand total. The next one we have here the multi-currency spend. This one is display the supplier spending across different currencies here. The next one we have here the rate search. It will let you search and compare supplier pricing available rates. You'll see here, of course, you can have destinations, service type, you can select meal, of course, max price. You can sort this by low to high, high to low, best margin, best rating, and of course, there is the supplier details here. All right. The next one we have here RFQ. This one is track request for quotation activity, and it includes request sent and supplier transfer. By the way, you can directly click this new price request and it will redirect to this. Should have of course title, destination, service type, packs, date from date to, of course, notes, and you should select the supplier. Okay, you can also click here. All right, and hang on. Let's go back here for the performance navigation. Let's discuss this one. So this one is a top supplier by spend. So this chart highlights a supplier receiving the highest amount of business from your agency, okay? The next one we have here, spend by supplier type. So these charts categorize spending based on supplier type. For example, you can quickly see how much is being spent on hotels, airlines, DMC, transportations provider, and active or maybe activity suppliers. So this one helps you understand which supplier categories represent the largest portion of your purchasing cost. Next, we have here the payables aging. So this one report tracks outstanding supplier payments based on how long they have been overdue. Okay. So the payments are grouped into aging categories such as 0 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90 days, and 9 over 90 days. Okay, this allows your finance team to prioritize upcoming payments, of course, to avoid overdue invoices and maintain healthy supplier relationship. The next one we have here at the bottom is the performance table, which provides a detailed breakdown of every supplier. Okay, so each row includes supplier name, type, rating, rates, up until the contract. So these tables allow you to compare the supplier performance side by side, and of course you can quickly identify your highest performing partner. It sounds great. So the benefits that you will get here in the supplier analytics section is that you can monitor supplier performance in real time. You can track procurement spending, like I've said. You can measure supplier profitability, of course. You can compare supplier categories, monitor outstanding payments, analyze booking trends, improve purchasing decisions, and last one is strengthen supplier relationship to data-driven insight. All right. So it's instead of relying on manual reports, the supplier analytics in supplier section gives you real-time insights into supplier performance, spending, bookings, profitability, and payments all in one centralized location. All right. So with these analytics here, you can make smarter procurement decision, optimize supplier partnership, and improve your overall performance. All right. So that's all, and we'll see you in the next video tutorial. Thank you.